Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is especially for those students who need more than 7 in IELTS speaking. So only watch this video if your target is above 7. Otherwise you can skip this video because I'm going to provide the answers of good vocabulary and good ideas. Okay, so and these are the recently asked questions. So the first question is, do you prefer planned meetings or unexpected ones? I usually prefer planned meetings because they give me time to organize my thoughts and respect other people's schedules. However, I believe that unplanned interactions often lead to genuine conversations and creative ideas. So, ideally, there should be a balance between both. Next question is, how do unexpected meetings affect relationships between people? Unexpected meetings can strengthen relationships because they add an element of surprise and warmth. They show the relationship is spontaneous, not just based on obligation. But if they happen too often, they might also intrude on someone's personal space. Are spontaneous decisions always good? Not always. Spontaneity can bring excitement and freshness, but when major decisions are made impulsively, they often lead to regret. I think the best approach is to stay spontaneous for small matters and thoughtful for life changing choices. The next question is, how can people prepare themselves for handling surprises in life or work? I think by developing emotional resilience, if people learn to adapt quickly and control their reactions, surprises no longer feel like threats. Meditation, physical fitness, and problem solving activities can also strengthen this mental flexibility. The next question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of being open as a person? Being open allows you to build trust and deeper connections, but oversharing can sometimes makes you vulnerable. The key is emotional intelligence and knowing what to express and when to maintain boundaries. Should parents be open about all topics with their children? Not entirely. Parents should be transparent enough to build trust, but also filter sensitive topics based on a child's age and maturity. Honesty should educate, not overwhelm. What are the benefits of children learning musical instruments? Learning musical instruments enhances memory, discipline, and creativity. It also improves coordination and emotional expression. Most importantly, it teaches patience, a skill every child needs in today's instant gratification world. Is a paper map still necessary? I think it's rarely used now, but still valuable in certain situations like trekking or places with poor connectivity. Moreover, reading a paper map develops spatial awareness that digital navigation often lacks. What kind of things people often forget? People tend to forget routine details like passwords, birthdays, or appointments because their minds are overloaded with digital distractions. Interestingly, emotional or meaningful experiences are rarely forgotten, showing how feelings strengthen memory. And the last question is, do you think people learn better in groups or alone? That depends on personality and purpose. Group learning promotes discussion and multiple perspectives, while self study builds focus and independence. Personally, I believe alternating between both gives the best results. I hope you find these answers helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.